Online class of subject construction management and entrepreneurship, that is subject course 17 CV61 model 4 comparison of alternatives capitalized by cost method. Okay, comparison of alternatives by capitalized cost method. First, what is meant by capitalized cost we will discuss. Capitalized cost represents the present worth of an alternative for a project that is going to serve for a longer period of time, that is for an infinite period of time. As the name indicates, it refers to the present worth of mainly cost or expenditures of the alternatives over infinite period of time. The capitalized worth refers to the present worth of expenditures and revenues of an alternative over infinite period of time. The capitalized cost method is used for comparison of mutually exclusive alternatives which have perpetual service life, means the projects which are going to have for longer period of time. The examples of this kind of projects are bridges, dams, irrigation projects and water supply system for the villages and other cities. The present worth of uniform amount series is given by the formula P is equals to A divided by I whole bracket 1 plus I raised to n divided by 1 plus I raised to n minus 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to n. This is the equation. Okay, when present P is the present worth, A is the end of year payment of uniform series, I is the interest rate per year, and n is the number of interest periods. Okay, in above expression n approaches, in the above equation 1 n approaches infinity, the term 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to n gets neglected and present worth becomes capitalized cost worth, the expression of which is given by P equals to A by I minus 1 divided by 1 plus I raised to n. Remaining thing, this after this n is an infinite number of periods. Okay, then this will be get cancelled. Okay, this 1 plus I raised to n will be gets neglected, then total it will become only P is equals to A by I only. P is equals to A by I only. The capitalized cost of single amount occurring at regular intervals in future period of time is calculated by first finding out the equivalent uniform annual worth A of the uniform series and then dividing by the interest rate I. Means whatever the annual cost is there, that you have to calculate for a particular alternatives, then divide by interest period will give the answer. Then total capitalized cost is given by the whatever the initial investment, present worth of future expenditure occurred, that is nothing but end expenditures, minus annual expenditures or whatever the maintenance and operation cost divided by I. Okay, that we will solve one problem related to this capitalized cost method. A concrete road project has an initial cost of Rs 1.5 crores and annual operating and maintenance cost of Rs 9 lakhs. And further, the project will have one-time major repair works, okay, of Rs 25 lakh at the end of 15 years. Find out the capitalized cost of the alternative if the interest rate is 12% per year. What is given? Given is initial cost is 1.5 crore and annual and operating maintenance cost of 9 lakhs. Further, project will have one-time major repair work, that is 25 lakhs at the end of 15 years, and total interest rate in this is 12% per year. Then total capitalized cost equals to sum of initial cost plus present worth of one-time major repair cost and capitalized cost of annual operating and maintenance cost. Okay, this is only the expenditures. Then total capitalized cost of alternative is given by a formula. Capitalized cost is equals to, that is a one initial investment, that is minus 1.5 crore minus 25 lakh at the end of 15 years, that is one time repair work. Okay, that you have to calculate for the present work. Okay, and then operation cost, maintenance and operation